Alright guys, here is the LG fridge, and the complaint customer has is the loud noise at the back. To change the condenser from motor, we need a drill bit. It's Phillips. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws over here. This is our culprit. It's relatively silent now, but here this fan motor is not in a good condition. It's supposed to engage immediately after we stop it with our finger. After you install the blade on the new fan motor, make sure to attach the clip that we had on the original one. Voila. All done and working.